Mastering the art of push-ups for optimal strength and endurance. Are you looking to build some serious upper body strength and muscles? Well, there's one classic exercise that always delivers, the push-up. But how many push-ups should you actually be doing every day for noticeable results? Let's break it down. Well, the answer depends on the level of your fitness, as this will determine how many you can do. But don't worry, because you can start off slow. But first, can you please tell me what is the most number of push-ups ever done in a 24-hour period? Write it in the comments below. I am waiting to hear your answer. Push-ups stand as a testament to the timeless power of bodyweight exercises for muscle growth. This simple yet effective workout not only strengthens the upper body but also engages core muscles, showcasing its efficiency in building muscular endurance and strength. For beginners, finding the right starting point is crucial. A modest goal of 25 to 45 push-ups throughout your day is a strong foundation for beginners. This allows for the adaptation of muscles to the new exercise regimen without overwhelming them, paving the way for consistency. If you're a bit stronger, try pushing for 75 to 150 push-ups distributed over the course of your day. Now, for those of you killing it in the push-up game, try hitting 150 to 250 daily. The ideal daily push-up count varies, yet aiming for a range that challenges the individual while maintaining proper form is key. For many, this lies between 20 to 30 push-ups, distributed across multiple sets to maximize muscle development. Muscle growth is propelled by micro-tears that occur during exercises like push-ups. These small injuries signal the body to repair and strengthen the fibers, leading to increased muscle mass and strength over time. Push-ups are celebrated for their versatility in targeting various muscle groups. By adjusting hand positions and body angles, one can emphasize different muscles, such as the chest, shoulders, and triceps, making push-ups a comprehensive upper body workout. Focusing on the quality of your push-ups ensures that each muscle fiber works to its fullest potential, leading to more significant muscle growth and strength gains. Perfecting your form reduces injury risk and maximizes the exercise's effectiveness, making each rep count. Gradually increasing the number of push-up sets and reps allows your muscles to adapt to the increasing workload, fostering strength without overwhelming your body. This strategy encourages steady progress, helping you build endurance and muscle mass over time. Incorporating rest days is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Muscles need recovery days. Take 1 to 2 rest days a week to avoid injuries and plateaus. These periods allow the micro-tears in muscle fibers caused by exercises like push-ups to repair and grow stronger. Skipping rest can lead to injuries and hinder muscle development. Combining push-ups with other strength exercises ensures a balanced muscle growth across your body. This mixed regimen prevents muscle imbalances and promotes overall physical fitness, making push-ups a foundational component of a comprehensive strength training program. Push-ups stimulate muscle hypertrophy by challenging the muscles to lift and support the body's weight, which leads to increased muscle mass and strength. The consistent application of this bodyweight exercise can significantly enhance muscle definition and endurance. Push-up variations are key to continuous muscle development. By altering hand positions and incorporating movements like clap or archer push-ups, you challenge different muscle groups. This diversity prevents your progress from plateauing, ensuring consistent muscle growth and strength improvement. Monitoring your progress with push-ups is essential. As you become stronger, your current push-up count might become less challenging. When you notice a significant increase in ease, it's time to up your game. Increasing your daily push-ups ensures your muscles remain under stress, promoting growth. Proper form in push-ups is non-negotiable for maximizing muscle building. A correct stance not only prevents injuries but also ensures that the targeted muscles are engaged effectively. Focusing on form helps in achieving better results, making each push-up count towards your goal. Incorporating resistance into your push-ups can elevate muscle stress, accelerating growth. Using weighted vests or resistance bands adds an extra challenge, intensifying the exercise. This added resistance ensures your muscles work harder, fostering enhanced strength and size over time. Listening to your body is crucial to avoid overtraining with push-ups. Overexertion can lead to injuries, hampering your progress. Recognizing signs of fatigue and allowing adequate recovery time ensures sustainable muscle growth, keeping you on track towards your fitness goals. Nutritional support is essential for muscle growth, especially on days dedicated to push-ups. Incorporating a diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates fuels the body for performance and aids in the repair and growth of muscle tissues. Push-ups not only build muscle but also enhance mental resilience, As a physical challenge, they teach discipline and perseverance, strengthening the mind's ability to overcome obstacles. This psychological fortitude complements the physical strength gained, showcasing push-ups as a holistic exercise. For advanced fitness enthusiasts, exploring complex push-up techniques can introduce new challenges and prevent workout monotony. Techniques such as explosive push-ups or using uneven surfaces engage muscles differently, promoting continued growth and avoiding plateaus in muscle development. A common mistake in push-up routines is neglecting proper form for the sake of increasing reps. This not only reduces the effectiveness of the exercise in stimulating muscle growth, but also increases the risk of injury. Maintaining proper alignment and movement is crucial. Recovery plays a pivotal role in muscle development, with push-ups being no exception. Techniques like stretching, adequate hydration, and ensuring sufficient sleep can enhance muscle repair and prepare the body for the next workout, optimizing the benefits of push-ups. Creating a comprehensive push-up workout plan is key to unlocking muscle gain. It involves structuring your routine to progressively increase difficulty, ensuring a balance between work and rest, and incorporating various push-up forms to continuously challenge your muscles, fostering growth and preventing stagnation. The lifelong benefits of consistent push-ups go beyond mere muscle strength. This simple yet effective exercise not only enhances physical endurance, but also boosts mental resilience. By integrating push-ups into your regular fitness regimen, you invest in your overall well-being, promising a healthier, more robust future. If you enjoyed the video, can you please leave a like and subscribe so that you will be notified whenever I release a new video.